And now we're going to look at Quailridge's best-selling one-bedroom trailer, and it's called a Quailridge 38FLA front living area. It's tan with white windows, tan corners, and white trim. It has a house-type rear entry door, 2 outside lights where those round circles are, outside outlet on the door side, triple axle. This one has the extended dormer on it, which actually gives it tall ceilings, a feeling of greatness, and also makes the trailer, it's looking like it's about 14 feet tall. The loft models are 14 and a half. There's another feature of this one. You got the frost-free spigot on the outside. Walking around it, see there's shutters on all the lower windows. 20-gallon water heater. I'm sure it's locked. Oh yeah, that's the access door to the water heater. Let's go on in and have a look around. I'll explain to you why this is a great floor plan. It always has been the best seller for Forest River. This has my coastal bay interior. It's a blue themed interior, so if you don't like blue, you probably don't have to go any further. It's got the arched window front, which gives them a bit of character. We don't have this one plugged in, but you see everything in it comes with it. You got an end table, sleeper sofa, rocker recliner, night or end table and lamp, 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, 18.5 cubic foot fridge, table and 4 chairs. You got linoleum on the entire main floor, except for the master bedroom. This has the big 56,000 BTU furnace. You can thank me later for that if you spend any time in it in the winter time. There's a big house type rear entry door, in swinging door, no trailer garbage here, just a good house type rear entry door. Got a hall closet. There's the chimney stack. Put that on when it arrives. The bedroom's pretty cool. This is a built-in lift bed, so it is not tradable. It has built-in nightstands with outlets, a lot of nice cabinetry, and a private entrance to the bathroom. But I'll show you inside these cabinets. You got a lot of space here, a lot of cabinetry, tall ceiling, very not claustrophobic, wood mini blinds on all the windows, 8 drawers and 4 doors. There is lights in the closet, but as I pointed out, we're not plugged in this trailer. All the drawers are full extension ball bearing drawer guides, just like that one. We'll go in the private entry to the master bath. There you go. You don't have to go out into the trailer to get into the master bath. You got your signature linen closet at the head of the shower. That's pretty standard with these big tub shower surrounds. It's floor plan specific though. You've got the curtain bar that's arched out to give you more room to shower. House type toilet, of course. We don't have any other kinds of toilets in our park models. Vanity, sink, medicine cabinet, hinged the correct way, even. Exhaust fan and a window in the bath. So heading out here, we're in the main portion of the trailer. We're back on linoleum as we were in the bathroom. Linoleum throughout. This is the aspen plank. Check this kitchen out. I love the bead board. A lot of nice cabinets. A lot of places to put stuff. At your hidden trash can. Storage under the sinks. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides again. There's some secret storage in the chairs. And that pretty well sums up our tour of the Quailridge 38FLA. I'll take a little look around here, let you see the rest of the trailer. Don't forget, you got a fireplace built in, electric fireplace. You can have it for show or actually make it put out heat. It's very light and bright in here with the tall ceiling. So, guess I'll move on to the next one. Hello from Kelly Hicks Construction in Sublette, Illinois, where we're looking at park model trailers today. If you're looking for the world's greatest one bedroom, no loft, park model trailer, this is it. I have Quailridge's most popular one bedroom in stock, ready to deliver. 38FLA with extended dormers and a tall ceiling. It's unit number 12174. It's clay with white corners and white lineals and white trim and a house type rear entry door. Got an in-swinging house type rear entry door with the deadbolt and the doorknob. The little round circle up here is where you would attach your outside light, which is included. We do that for you when we set it up. And then the 6-foot vinyl thermopane patio door also has a light. There's a walk-a-bay at the dinette with an exterior plug. Let's go on in and have a look around. Right now is about $58,000 and MSRPs are going up. Unfortunately, it happens every year. I have no control over that. This has the coastal bay interior, which is blue themed. It's got the plank aspen PVC flooring. Pretty cool stuff. Fireplace, which is for show or will actually put out heat. You got everything in these stays in them. Got some beadboard. Got a table and 4 chairs. There's storage under the chairs. Pretty cool. Several features common. Everything in them stays in them. End table lamp, nightstand lamp, rocker recliner, and sleeper sofa. Mini blinds on all windows that open and close. Lots of nice cabinetry. Lots of nice storage. Backsplash. Entertainment center. I would say probably maxes out around a 40-inch TV, whether you sit it on the stand or mount it on the wall. 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave, stainless steel sink with a single lever faucet and pull-out sprayer. Let's look inside the cabinetry here. Look at that. You have a hidden trash can that slides out. That's factory option. Another option that's in all of them is the ball bearing drawer guides that extend fully so you can access every bit of your drawer. Another nice feature is the USB chargers they include nowadays. Got your USB wall chargers built in. This one has an 18.5 cubic foot fridge. You can upgrade that and spend $1,200 on an upgraded fridge if you like. But this one just has a standard black 18.5 cubic foot Frigidaire fridge, 30-inch range and microwave, 56,000 BTU furnace. There's plank flooring in the entire trailer except for the master bedroom. You might notice that there's tall ceilings in here. That is an extra option that I ordered especially for this trailer. There's LED lighting, ceiling fan, and it's tall. It looks like it has a loft, but it definitely has no loft. So let's go check out the hall closet. This hall closet could be a washer dryer. If that was your cup of tea, you'd have to order it that way or get one installed after the fact. Plenty of room in there. So heading on into the bedroom, you'll see we've got built-in nightstands with outlets. So if you got a CPAP machine or like to charge things by your bedside, there you have it. This little beadboard cabinet over here has the circuit breaker box with all the breakers clearly marked. Pretty cool. I'll go ahead and shut off the water heater breaker. Hasn't been plugged in yet or turned on. Okay, looking in some of the cabinets. There's lots of cabinets, lots and lots and lots of cabinets. There's a ceiling fan to keep you cool at night. There's the gigantic wardrobe. Again, it's got full extension ball bearing drawer guides. It's got the his and hers wardrobe with the closet rod in it. This one's not plugged in, but there is lights in all the closets. Big drawers, big storage. One other cool thing about this model, it's got a extra entry to the bath. So it's got a direct entry from the master suite straight to the bathroom. Pretty cool feature. Or if you happen to be a guest staying on the sleeper sofa or what have you, you can come in through the hall. You've got the porcelain stool, vanity. This is the fiberglass one-piece shower tub surround. Comes with the shower curtain. Place for your medicine in the medicine cabinet. Good lighting. Good storage in the vanity. And lots of linen storage and towel storage here. I don't know how you'd stack them clear up to the sky, but you sure could. And then the window lets in a lot of natural lighting. I love that. And then of course the ceiling has an exhaust fan. Okay. Well, I hope I covered everything, went slowly enough, and didn't make anybody dizzy. This is the 2021 Quailridge 38FLA. It's Forest River's most popular park model without a loft. And hopefully in my tour you can see why. It's a very nice trailer. If you're looking for the best in the industry, I think a Forest River Quailridge would probably suit you just fine.